So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
My name is Arun Kumar. I have completed my graduation in 2020 with electrical and electronics field. After complete my graduation, I will find a job in electrical field, but I am not able to find a job in electrical field. Then I am consulting one of my friend recommend Evision. Then I am going to Evision and enroll myself for a CCNA course. Then Evision is a very good institute for a build a career in IT sector. Now I am completed my internship with Evision, and also I have selected in TCS with 2.8 lakh per annum package. Thank you, Evision. Thank you, team.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.